Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Tina from Santiago of the Seas. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, we're going to start with the glasses. I'm going to draw an inner circle and then an outer circle as well. And we'll do the same on the other side. And right between the circles, we're going to draw the bridge of the glasses that goes over the nose. And right between the glasses, a nose, and right underneath that, a little smile. Now we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a pupil, light reflections, and of course an iris. And I'll do the same on the other side as well. Now right above the glasses, you're going to draw the eyebrows. Touching the glasses, let's color the pupils in. And now we're going to draw two ears. I'm going to draw an ear on this side, and we're going to do an inner ear, and we're going to copy that as well on the other side as well. And of course the little inner ear as well. And now we're going to draw the jawline, connecting the two ears. Now right above, we're going to start with the hair. I'm going to start here from the point of the ear, and I'm going to draw the hair going all the way around, back to the ear, and maybe two little lines for texture as well. In front, we're going to draw a little piece of hair sticking out, and from here I'm going to draw the hair back to the ear as well, and I'm going to connect it right there. And right here on top, we're going to draw the head nice and round and bring it back to the ear. From here at the bottom, I'll just mark and do a little line upwards. Sideburns on both sides, and the bottom of the glasses. Right on top, there's a little ponytail. And then on the sides, we have two ponytails sticking out, and we're going to draw these block shape that ties the ponytail together. And now let's draw the ponytail. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make two guiding lines for me, and then I'm going to make it nice and round. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Two guiding lines, make it nice and round. Great, now we can go down to the body. We're first going to draw the collar, make a little V, and then we're going to do the sides. And I'm going to make two lines out, two guiding lines. I'm going to bring them in, and I'm going to bring the other one in as well. And I'm going to try to copy them about the same. Now we can draw the jacket. First, I like to draw the buttons first. So, two buttons, and on the button, I'm just going to make a rectangular shape. And on this side as well. And we're going to draw these rectangular shapes connected to the button. And now we can draw the coat. On both sides, I'm just going to draw a line down. And on this side, I'm going to copy the line as well, just like that. Then we're going to start up here and we're going to connect them. Now we're going to draw shoulders. I'm going to draw a shoulder on this side. I'm going to take it down like this, up to there, and I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. And then sleeves. I'm going to draw a little U shape on both sides. There we go. Just connect that one, make it beautiful. And then I draw the sleeves. There's one sleeve. And I'm going to do the other one. And now we can go down to the arms. I'm going to draw the forearm and I'm going to draw a little thumb. Then, again, and I'm going to draw a front finger and a second finger. Just 2 fingers there. And on this side, I'm going to draw another going out and then the thumb as well. But in this case, she's going to hold something in her hand. So I'm going to bring a straight line down, make it sort of a block, going up and make it round. Then a bigger block, and then here on the bottom, you're going to draw another block at an angle, like a little stick. And I'm going to bring the stick out with a little ball at the bottom. Now I can complete the jacket or the coat. And I'm going to do the same on this side as well and take it all the way back there. And now we can draw the arm, top arm, just like this. 2 little going up. Now it's time for her belt. I'm going to draw a skew line, and at the bottom I'm going to draw another skew line. And there's sort of a pattern in this. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to draw a line. And maybe I'll draw another block there. Now let's go to the pants. I'll make a little reference line for me there. And now I'm going to draw the legs. I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to make it nice and curvy. Bring it in and up. There's one leg. Now try to copy this as best as you can. And now it's time for her boots. I'm going to draw the top part of the boot, and on this side I'm going to try to copy that as well. Now the top part of the boot. And now we're going to draw the boot itself. And on this side, let's do the same thing, a little bump. We draw the boot. And then we can just draw a pattern shape there as well. And there we go, there's Tina. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Tina will look absolutely great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.